ready to transform your online store from a digital ghost town into a thriving e-commerce empire. First, nail your niche. Don't try to sell everything to everyone. Find a specific product category you're passionate about and that has a viable market. Think about what problem you're solving for your customers. Next, snag a catchy domain name. Keep it short, memorable, and relevant to your brand. Check its availability on Shopify and consider a com extension for credibility. Time for the storefront. Choose a Shopify theme that aligns with your brand aesthetic and provides a user-friendly experience. Focus on clean layouts, high-quality images, and easy navigation. Now, optimize your product listings. Use compelling titles, detailed descriptions, and professional product photos. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve search engine visibility. Ensure your store is mobile or responsive. A significant portion of online shoppers browse on their phones, so your store must look and function flawlessly on all devices. Set up your payment gateway. Shopify integrates with various providers like PayPal and Stripe. Choose options that are convenient for your customers and secure for your business. Configure your shipping settings. Offer multiple shipping options with transparent pricing. Consider free shipping thresholds to incentivize larger orders. Finally, drive traffic with effective marketing. Utilize social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience and boost sales. Remember, consistent effort is key to e-commerce success.